Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use drawing tools in Thinkorswim. First, locate the drawing tools icon on your chart's left sidebar. Click it to reveal a menu of available tools. You can easily select a trend line, a Fibonacci retracement, or even add text to your chart. Once a tool is chosen, click and drag on your chart to apply it. This simple method helps you quickly analyze price action and identify key levels. After placing a drawing, you can easily customize its appearance. Double-click on the drawing to open its properties window. Here, you can change the color, line style, and thickness to suit your preferences. You can also save your preferred drawing settings as a default. To manage multiple drawings, right-click on any drawing to access options for hiding, locking, or deleting them. This ensures your charts remain organized and clear. Thinkorswim offers several advanced features to enhance your drawing experience. Activate magnet mode to snap your drawings precisely to high, low, or close prices. This ensures accuracy in your technical analysis. You can also extend trend lines indefinitely to the right, helping you project potential future price action. Furthermore, attach alerts directly to your drawings, so you receive notifications when price interacts with your drawn levels. These tools provide powerful insights. To truly master Thinkorswim's drawing tools, consistent practice is key. Experiment with different tools and combinations to find what works best for your trading style. Remember, effective chart analysis often involves using several drawing types together for a holistic view. Also, for a cleaner home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. You can find a link to this amazing product, along with other great deals, in the description below. Keep exploring and happy charting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.